Maximizing bathroom storage, 5 ways to use recessed spaces. Dear friends, when planning storage for a bathroom renovation, every little bit counts. Isn't it great that there are so many creative storage solutions that allow you to use every available inch of space? Options like vanity cabinets, open shelving, shower niches, and medicine cabinets all offer places to store toiletries, hairdryers, laundry baskets, and much more. One way to take advantage of available space is by incorporating recessed storage. These cabinets and niches utilize wall space without taking up valuable floor space. They are particularly useful in a smaller bathroom but provide a sleek appearance in any size room. Recessed cabinets, shelves, and niches could be used for the medicine cabinet, toiletry storage, towels, or really anything that will fit on a narrow shelf. Recessed storage takes advantage of the hollow space in your walls behind the drywall. It puts this underutilized space to work as open or closed storage and gives your bathroom design a sleek, clean appearance. Here are 5 ways to include recessed storage in your next bathroom remodel. 1. Recessed cabinet. When you think of bathroom cabinet storage, you probably think of vanity or possibly a standalone linen cabinet. Recessed cabinets fit easily into otherwise underutilized spaces or where a regular cabinet would not fit. While they do not provide storage as deep as a regular cabinet, they offer ample space to keep spare toiletries, linens, and other items. 2. Glass front cabinet. As an alternative to a standard recessed cabinet, add glass front cabinets to promote an open, airy feel. Combined with in-cabinet lights, this creates a bright space to display items that enhance the design. 3. Open shelves. Similarly, open shelves complement this airy feel while also contributing valuable extra storage space. 4. Medicine cabinet. A medicine cabinet is a must-have in most bathrooms, and typically is located above or near the sink. A recessed medicine cabinet provides this necessary space to store first aid supplies, medicine, or other everyday essentials, without jutting out over the sink area. This cabinet style is available in a variety of styles to suit any bathroom. 5. Shower niche. The shower niche has become a staple of many bathroom renovations, as it is the ideal way to add storage to a shower without creating an obstacle you can bump into while showering. This simple recessed storage area is perfect for keeping shampoo, shower gel, or other items you need to hand in the shower. It can also serve as a focal point in your shower design when you add a tile pattern or contrasting color in the niche. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to the engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.